It's a good day to go magnet fishing. Kids are in school. I'm on vacation. I'm gonna go spend some time at the river. It looks nice out here today. We got a new spot today. So we got nothing. Like I say, this river's always clean. Just a quick stop. This river's always very clean, so it's best to go to ponds and stuff like that, but I like to come to the river every now and then. Go out there and do the things you love, even if it's by yourself. 5 years ago I fell in love with magnet fishing, and my daughter usually goes with me, but it was a nice day, so I just went out and threw the magnet into the river a few times. It was fun.